Hello, and welcome to Learn English with Photos. My name is Kenzo, and this is English from the ground up. This is my camera. It's white and pink, and it has cherries on it. And I've used this camera to take lots of pictures. And in this video, we're going to look at some. Picture number 1. This is a picture of my dog, Lulu. Lulu is a yellow lab. She has huge ears, and in her mouth, she's holding a pillow. Lulu loves pillows. And in the background, there's a clock. Let's look closer at this clock. It looks like it's about 2:50 a.m. in this picture. And I can tell it's a.m. and not p.m. because look at the window. It's dark outside. I was probably really tired. Picture number 2. I took this picture on a rainy day. That's why there's a puddle on the ground. But look at this puddle. It's colorful. And it's colorful because I took this picture at a gas station. There's gasoline in the water, so it's colorful. Here I can see a hairband, gross, and you can see that I'm wearing some boots. I'm wearing some black boots with yellow stitching. And up here, there's a worm. A worm. Next picture. Aha, picture number 3. I took this picture on an airplane. So whenever I'm on an airplane and the flight attendants ask me what I want to drink, I always get orange juice. Every time. Orange juice is the best. It's the best. And over here, there's a bag of pretzels. And the pretzels are okay. When you are in an airplane and the flight attendants ask you what you want to drink, what do you say? Tell me in a comment below. And also, I just opened the English from the ground up Discord server. So if you would like to practice English with me and other learners, you can join for free by clicking up here. Next picture. Picture number 4. This is a picture that I took in Louisville, which is a city in the United States. I took this picture at sunrise. You can see the sky is orange and yellow. I can see a bunch of buildings, and some streetlights here and here. This is a huge building. This building is a hotel, the Marriott Hotel. Picture number 5. I took this picture in an airport. I can see the number 4 and the number 3, 2, 1. I can see some trash cans, and I can see a bunch of people walking. Over here, there are some carts, and look at how the lights reflect onto the floor. Picture number 6. So, first of all, this is not a cigarette. No. This is a stick. And I have a stick in my mouth because I'm building a boat. This is a boat. The boat has sails made of leaves and sticks. And this is an orange peel that's wrapped around a stick. So this stick in my mouth, I was saving to use on my boat. And I made this boat to sail in the river. Next picture, picture number 7. And this is a picture of my boat sailing in the river. And it looks like it's headed towards danger. Picture number 8. This is a picture of a grapefruit. This is a grapefruit. It's not an orange, no, a grapefruit. I love grapefruit. I like to cut the grapefruit in half and eat it using a spoon. And I also like sprinkling a lot of sugar on top of the grapefruit. And that brings us to the end of this video. Like and subscribe, and if you want to help support this channel, you could make a donation on my Ko-fi page by clicking up here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya! Low till I feel just right. Wow, is this the best it's ever?